Prabha of Mini Miracles, Flags and Phonics. Today we are going to see the next three flags, Bahrain, Bangladesh and Bhutan. So first Bahrain. So near the host there is white color and then the red color, and see, you can see white triangles, five triangles, which is considered as the five pillars of Islam. Okay, and then the capital is Manama. So actually this is rain. So during rain, you get a smell. Okay, that rain smell. So that is in Tamil we say Manam. So Manama is the capital. So the national animal is the Arabian oryx. So see, you can see clearly in the picture the horns of the Arabian oryx is very sharp. Okay, in a triangle form, you have to just remember like that, assume like that. And then here also the white color triangles. Okay, so that is the Arabian oryx. And then the national bird is white cheeked Himalayan bulbul. Okay, so this you have to remember as, see here, if you see, take a closer look at the bird, you can see white and red color on its cheeks. Okay, same as the flag color. Okay, so this is white cheeked Himalayan bulbul is the national birds. And Bangladesh is a green background with a red circle. So the red circle is considered as the sun. Okay, so Bangladesh is the capital is Dhaka. So just we have to remember that the heat of the sun is very severe, and in Tamil we say that Takam. Okay, so that is Dhaka, and then that is the capital. So the national bird, animal is Royal Bengal tiger. So this how you remember is, so Bangla means a very big house where royal people live, we assume like that, and the animal also is called as a Royal Bengal tiger. Okay, and then the bird is magpie robin. So magpie robin, you just remember that in the Bangla there is a magpie and a robber is coming in to steal it. So this is magpie robin. Okay, and then Bhutan color is yellow, that is the color of the sultan, and then the orange color is the color of the monk. Okay, and then in the center there is a dragon holding four precious stones. Okay, so the capital is Thimphu. So we have to just remember that fire is coming out of the dragon's mouth. Fire we call in Tamil as Thi, and it is blowing out Fu. Okay, so Thimphu. And the national animal is Takin. Okay, so Takin is the national animal. You have to just remember that the dragon is wearing a shirt and you are tucking it in. Okay, that is Takin. Okay, so this is the animal with a very thick fur. And then the national bird. So the national bird is raven. So the interesting fact about this bird is, it is actually a crow. Okay, here in Tamil we say Andankaka. This they consider is very sacred in Bhutan. Even the king's crown, they can find this raven engraved in it. Okay, so it is so famous that it is considered as a sacred animal and as well as a national animal of this country, Bhutan. Okay, so this is this page activity. Then the next activity here is the guess me. Okay, so this guess me is, so you can see the picture clues. So what will be this? So king, and then monk, and then the fire. So Thi. So king and the monk itself, as I told you, that is the flag of Bhutan. Okay, so yellow and then the orange, that is for the monk, and then this is Thi Thimphu. Okay, in Tamil for fire it is Thi, so Thimphu. So this is the Bhutan flag. And then what is the next picture clue? So a girl is standing under the rain with an umbrella, standing in the rain under the umbrella. Okay, and then someone is smelling a food. Okay, so what is this? So you know that it is Bahrain and the capital is Manama. So actually this flag is Bahrain. Okay, and then what is this? So it is a very big house, that is a bangla. And then what they are playing? Kabaddi. So actually the national sports of Bangladesh is Kabaddi. So of course Bangladesh flag, we are fitting it. Okay, so this is a second activity. And now the third activity is connect the flag, country, capital, continent, currency, language, national animal, national bird, sports. Use three different colors to connect the three countries facts. Okay, so first you have to start from here. You can either draw it, or if you want to reuse this activity, okay, you can just use some manipulative like this. See, suppose if you are starting from the flag, so you just keep something, okay, either a stone or a coin or whatever it is, and then you have to connect it to Bahrain. Okay, so in this order you have to just connect it. Capital, so capital is Manama. So from Bahrain you have to just come find out where is Manama. So from here you have to just keep the coin here, Manama. Okay, and then the currency, you have to just think where is the currency of Bahrain. Okay, so that is dinar. Okay, and then Arabic. Okay, and then Arabian oryx, then white cheeked bulbul, and then football. Okay, so it just comes like that. So use three different manipulatives. Okay, and just find out, then you can take out, and then afterwards, if you are revising once again, you can use the manipulative. Suppose if you draw with a pencil or a sketch, then you won't be able to reuse it. Okay, so this is the activity. Then the next activity is okay, roll and read. Okay, you can use a dice and just you can roll it. So if number 3, if you get number 3, then you have to read, okay, Armenia, and then just keep the Armenian flag, stick the Armenian flag here. Okay, you can keep the Armenian flag here, and then you can just make your kid to read Armenia, Yerevan, Asia, Dram, Armenian, eagle, chess. So if you do this again and again, so for all the 6 countries, first 6 countries of Asia, I have given this play method. Okay, so by doing this you can just revise it again and again, and also it will be a fun way to learn. Just throw the dice and then count it and then read the facts. Okay, so the next is identify me. Put a tick on the right flag and cross the wrong flag. Okay, so which is the right flag actually? So this one or this one, the colors are different, so which is the right color? So as I told you, Afghanistan, the capital is Kabul, so the black color will come first. Okay, black, and then they will think of the bloodshed and then the prosperity or the Islam color, but here it is not the same, so this is the wrong flag. Then for Azerbaijan, okay, so which is the right flag and which is the wrong flag? Okay, and then for Armenia, okay, so this is the color of the apricot. They pick the apricot, they look at the blue sky and then they think of the bloodshed, so this is not right, so this is the right flag, so put a tick here. Okay, so that's all for today. See you next week with the next set of activities. Thank you.